It's about enhancing the experience of people, and they don't expect when they come to see us what they get, you know, and we made a policy right at the start that one of our family would meet every person on the rail trail. We're losing our heritage, our histories, we're getting more urban and rural divide, and if we could do that to a couple of thousand people a year and they took a story home about actually how meat was produced and how humane things are and how wool was produced and what it did, then I think we all learn from that, we all live from it, and it's rewarding taking people who really appreciate it. It's just real, and you do meet the locals. And I don't think, every time I've been around overseas or anywhere, I've never met the owner of the business or the locals. But now, whether you like it or not, it's very hard for people to go off the main road into someone's property or business and have a look around. We used to be accommodating, now we don't. And we will continue to be that way.